Want to see me recreate this look? Stay tuned. Hello everyone, it's your girl Tila, and in today's video we're going to be doing a little makeup tutorial. In case you're not already, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below. Okay, so I already primed and moisturized my face. Alright, I did all of that. And yeah, so we're just gonna start off. Oh my god, Jeffree, please don't hate me. But what I'm gonna be using as my up close and personal mirror is this. You're probably wondering what the hell this is, right? It's from the highlighter, Jeffree Star. It broke, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Pro Longwear foundation and my Matchmaster SPF 15 foundation. And the colors are NC42 and 6.0. This is what I like to use. Because I'm like kind of fair, I have a little tan, I like, you know, to mix it. But today we're gonna mix her. So give a good shake it all about, and turn it up around, eh? We're gonna give like about 1-2 pumps of my Pro Longwear foundation, a half a pump in my Matchmaster, just a little. I'm gonna go with my Morphe. The numbers kind of like disappeared, but Morphe, just kind of blend her in a little bit, and yeah, just kind of like dab her all over the place, and just have my damp beauty blender, kind of like, you know, dab, and just bounce away. I like to do my concealer, and so I'm going in with my Studio Finish concealer in the shade NW25 from MAC. I like to focus more right here, because as you can see, the under here is like a little baggy, but when I look back here, she looks a little snatched. And just, you know, really get in there. In here is a little, it's like deep. I like to just really go in on this part, and then kind of drag her up or higher with my concealer, and kind of overlap with my eyebrows. More towards here would be the most. Again, what I did on this side, I'll do it here. Kind of like to just go around my scars. I'll of course do my T-zone. Just obviously go down the bridge of the nose, on the bottom here, blend and blend well, sisters. And then of course I like to go right here on the lip, go around, little highlight down here underneath the cheekbones. So we're only gonna do like a little bit. See the difference compared to this side. Now we're gonna go ahead and set her. Fenty, come through in the shade Butter. So we're gonna just go ahead and set her. Oh yes, honey. Everywhere that you have put your concealer, you're gonna just kind of set her. Pass the flour, girl, we finna bake. Literally. Okay, she hit pan, but you know what? That's how you know I really wouldn't use her, okay? Here you go. It's Savage by Tom Ford. Cheek color in the shade 04 Savage. Go into my Morphe. Okay, a lot of these brushes, please forgive me, but a lot of these brushes, they tend to, you know, they would disappear, girl. You're gonna go in on this and just, I like to go a little bit because I have such a sharp cheekbone situation here. I only like to do a little bit. I'm gonna cut her, girl, but I'm not gonna damage her, girl. You know what I'm saying? That type of love. Don't forget under, you know, your jawline. Bam! Don't forget your forehead. Also gonna be using Morphe. Again, the numbers. Do the nose. Right now, we're gonna just dust all of this off. And I'm using Morphe. Dust her, girl. We don't let go. Oh. First day of the month. Sirens going off. There's a school right here. I live next to a school. Girl, sometimes, especially on their recess break, their lunch break. Girl, they're nice kids, but damn. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Thank you. Can I continue? Oh, God bless. Back to dusting. Now, I'm gonna go into my blush. A Chanel in the shade In Love, number 55. Hit pan already, but that's how you know I love her, girl. There, we're using Morphe. I'm just gonna, you know, slightly just dab, 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 swipe up. Just kind of do that, not the whole way. I go up here just to define her. Ooh, look at that. And of course, the forehead. Don't ever forget that. Chanel Alezane shade 260. You can see right here. Okay, we're gonna take this out. We're gonna just go pop, 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 pop. Oh, you sound effects. I'll do my eyebrows next. I did brow pomade in the shade Chocolate. Brush 14 dual-ended firm detail brush. I love these. Okay, so right now I'm gonna just go off camera and do my eyebrows. All right, you guys, we are back. Oh, that took a while. Next step, it's already primed and ready to put shadow. Just basically winging this, okay? She turns out over, she's overs. If not, well, you let me know. Okay, we're gonna go into my Morphe palette and my 35K. I'm gonna use, of course, Morphe, and we're just gonna go into this shade right here as my base. All over, all around. Now that we got our base down, now we're actually gonna figure out what colors we're gonna use today. See how this would actually look on this before we actually put her down, girl. There won't be no turning back there. We're gonna go for a nudie look. It's something that I actually feel comfortable in right now, because I don't want to fully fuck this whole entire look up. Everything else will be put together-ish. Okay, so because I'm gonna start with my crease, I'm gonna use another base so I can layer another dark shade on top of that. I don't know if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Do that. Again, we're gonna go in with this brush from here on in and do the same thing on this side. Also determines on how you hold your brushes. Think of when you're holding your brushes like you're literally painting a picture. I can barely paint for shit, okay? I'm gonna keep it real. One thing I know how to paint is my face, okay? I'm gonna actually go into this shade right here. Still a Morphe brush. Okay, and we're just gonna like, ooh, you see what that looks right there? And just really like kind of cut it a little bit. And then also in circle motions, just kind of do that look. Circle motions from here. And just go back and forth, flow with it. We're transitioning, girls. Now we're going to go into the more deeper tone. Of course, Morphe. It's this brush. Okay, we're going to go into this shade right here. What I'm going to do is kind of use this as a tool to like really see where I'm gonna go. So of course we're gonna go back into here and just kind of do this and really just go in and like kind of bring this out there, so it looks a little like this. And we're gonna go into this brush, Morphe, and we're gonna just circular motions and blend that bad boy out. Okay, so now we're gonna go back into that brush. Oh girl, don't worry, we're gonna dust her off. Do not worry. I did on this side, we're gonna do it on that side. And to kind of remove how that part kind of looks, that's kind of like down there, I'm gonna go in with, of course, Fenty Beauty. And just really like, just, you know, kind of like clean that up, that goes straight. You see what that just did right there? Bam. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more. Bam. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Ooh. We're gonna go in with Riri and oh, I feel like I know what I'm going to do. You know what? Before I lay this down, here's a trick that I was taught. Now is Sicily and Phyto Lip Star come through in the shade 2 Safari. But this is what she is. Just kind of course, put it on the skin like so. So like it's like a pinky sheer with a little glitter. She's pretty. Oh gosh, yes, girl. Dab her like this. You know, just kind of go in. You're gonna see her how she looks like this, and just use that as the base for when you put whatever shadow you're gonna put here, and you'll see why I put that there. Already, like, I can just rock that. Bam. What are you wearing? Gloss. Now we are going to go into this bad boy right here. Moroccan Spice right here. You see how that looks? And you just kind of like add this right on top, and it just gives it that bam effect. I mean, like, because I already put the gloss already on top and it's already tacky, I kind of just press it into the gloss like so, and just kind of like blend her out sort of. So just kind of do that throughout the whole entire lid. Wherever you had put that gloss, that's what you're gonna do. Oh, we're gonna go with my all-time favorite. Bam! I know, as you can see, I don't hit pan because, girl, I use this every single day. Sandcastle, girl. Walmart. Here she is. I know she's a little busted, girl, but you know what? She works for me. Bitch. I like to use with this. It's kind of like to go lightly right above the brow bone. Of course, we're going to put it into my skin just to heat it up with my warmth. And just kind of like, bam, just kind of go in on that and just, ooh, bitch. Do the same thing on the other side. Of course, I like to use this brush and just, ooh, Cupid's bow. Don't forget that. Look at that. And we're gonna go into our Fenty Beauty highlighting brush in 120. Bam. Rihanna's Sharp Tooth. Ooh. Okay, of course, we're going back into Sandcastle. Okay, we're going back into her dust and just watch the magic happen, right? Ooh. Ooh. Bam. Bam. And of course, don't forget the middle right here, your bridge, of course, chin, because we want her to fully glow on each angles on your face as you turn, girl. She glistens in certain parts. For me, I like to use this space because I got a lot of it, and kind of put the highlighter right above the brow arch right here, and just kind of drag her up, just to give it that highlight effect right here in this corner. That's what I like to do. And I like to do just a little bit right here. You know, so it kind of takes focus off this big forehead as the light hits, or pictures, or whatever the case may be. You know, that light, that camera will hit here more than all over here. Well, at least that kind of works just, well, that works for me, so. Just bam, bam, bam. I'm going down this bitch. Okay, now, I know I'm going a little backwards with this whole thing, but now it's time to do the liner, mascara, and lashes. Okay, dehydrated. Okay, what I'm going to be using is Climax NARS. I got this, you know, like one of those gifts that you know, like you have all these points and stuff. Yeah, I used it on this. That's what that was. That's what this is. All right. Oh, I like this because, well, like, oh, you see the difference already. She's thick. The brush, I mean, she go, you know, she's nice and thick. but she comes out real dark, and that's what I like. Damn. Bam. Ooh. Now we're gonna do it on the other side, of course. Of course, liner. Ooh, she's still in the box. Ah, I already have enough. Like, here, let me show you. So this is what she looks like. I already have her in here. As you can see, I don't run this out, and I bought a new one because, well, I only have a little bit in here, but why not just use a new one, right? She's almost gone, and I'm gonna be playing with this anyways. Bam, Fenty, come through with your fly liner, okay? Feeling fly. So, ooh, gosh, she's laid, girl. She's laid. And she's real thin, like, especially to really get in depth with your thin liners. And just to basically, like you can do so much with this because she's so thin and she's so skinny and, like, she's so precise that you can, girl, you can create stars, girl. You get the point, right? You know, we're just gonna go in on this USA. Okay, we're gonna go. Oh! Oh, girl, I have to back up with that because she hit me, girl. And then boom, liner. Oh, hold on, girl. Oh. Okay, fly liner, girl. She went fly, girl. Ooh, she was too thin, girl. She's cutting these holes. Okay, come from here. I'm gonna start making her thick. And just give it that wing on her. Bam. And keep in mind, girls, that even if you mess up on your liner, especially towards the end, always remember that when the lashes go on, you can't really tell. But when you close your eyes and you stare at her a little longer, girl, you would be able to. But you know what, girl, that's why when you put your lashes on and you kind of like edit her, girl. But for the most part, girl, if you want to go, you gotta go. If you mess her up, girl, when those lashes go on, girl, no one would know, girl, okay? Shh, no one would know. Now I'm gonna do that on the other side. Ooh, I needed a moment for that, girl. But I also do not want to mess this up, okay? Now we're gonna go with the lashes. Okay, and I'll be right back. All right, now it's time for the lips. I want to use, like, there's so much lipstick here, like, and my lips is kind of chappy, so I'm like, and I can't find my chapstick. There's so many makeup all over the place with boxes and everything, and I don't know what to use. Okay, so now we're gonna go in, of course, Jeffree Star in the shade I'm Nude. Yes. I'm gonna go into my Fenty in the shade Decay. Just, you know, slightly dot her on and just give it that moment. Okay, and of course, to set it all off, to set everything down, we're going to be using our finishing setting spray, Urban Decay De-Slick. All right, time to spray it in. And I'll be right back. And this look is complete. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and yes, give me your thoughts. Thank you again. God bless. And until next time, bye.